Mister, Love ni Mrs. would like to thank the following: Zagu Pearl Shake, Minute Burger, Twist and Fry, Sweet Corner, Scramble King, Minami Home Appliances, Needs Binalot sa Dahon, Nikon Home Appliances, and Olive Sea.
Alright, we are back! Okay, tatay. Mapakwento na tayo sa naging experience ni Moy at ni Betong. Okay.
Pero gusto ko sana kay Betong English ang kanyang pagpapaliwanag sa kanyang experience.
Yeah,
because we have English-speaking audience from all over the world, actually.
At saka tatay, gusto ko lang din i-welcome.
Yes.
Dahil first time niya dito sa
Yes,
Love ni Mr. Love ni Mrs.
Si Betong.
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you, Lord.
Yes. So how was your experience there in the jeepney?
Oh my God.
Why? What happened? You tell us. You tell us what happened from the top.
Oh my, you first. You tell it, Moy. Come on. You can see. There's already big.
The what? What's big?
The coin is already big.
Oh.
Humongous big.
Humongous big?
And then I told him, I told to myself, is this true? Oh my God, I wasn't informed. It just texted me so that I will not be and everything. So, oh my God. So that's the right, Moy.
Yeah, Moy, paki-explain nga experience ng mas malinaw. Okay, na mas malinaw lang.
In English yung sorry.
Hirap-hirap, ang haba. Sandali lang yung eksena kanina. Ang dami sinasabi.
May airtime ba? Sige nga.
Ano po, kasi bago na daw po kasing pera. So, yun, sumakay kami ng jeep, tapos namasahe ako. Tapos nagulat ako, sabi ko, ano to? Di ko alam na magician yung mga katabi namin. Wala akong idea kasi wala naman sinasabi. Hindi kami na-inform. So,
hindi
that's what he's saying. He was not
Yun,
informed.
That's, yeah, keep it, Moy. Keep it up, Moy. Keep it up.
Oh my gosh, friend!
Mabigat yung piso, mabigat? O magaang? Mabigat, may weight siya.
Medyo may ganun. Kasi pero yung mga features talaga nung coin, parehong pareho.
Tanungin nyo yung yung papel. Kung ganun kalaki yung piso, ano na lang yung papel?
Parang upuan na natin. Ganito.
Hindi, pag natutulog ka daw, yun na yung sapin mo. Mayaman na tayo nun, friend.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you rin po.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning, of course.
Wow, maraming salamat.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Betong, thank you so much for guessing. It's your first time here. And of course, kay Sam, thank you again. At kay Julia.
Parang si Elizabeth Ramsey yan.
Nakakarami na rin tong dalawang to, ha?
Okay,
anyway,
thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Happy morning sa inyo. Naku, tatay.
Alright.
I love this episode again today. Sobrang dami mga magics, ang dami mga
Nakachamba
katawanan.
ka doon sa magic mo, ha?
Oo, ikaw din, in fairness. Anyway, pasamatan natin si Mrs. Paulina F. Platon, Principal ng Project 6 Elementary School, at kay Miss Normelita Severino, Grade 4 Advisor ng Project 6 Elementary School. At maraming salamat sa Needs Binalot sa Dahon. Maraming salamat!
And also, Minami Appliances, Zagu Pearl Shakes, Minute Burger, Nikon Home Appliances, Fernandez Bake Shop, Lily's Peanut Butter, Island Rose, and F&H. Thank you very much for this polo. Masarap siyang suotin dahil manipis.
Very
ready for
comfortable.
summer.
Gusto ko lang batiin kasi nasa may audience natin, kapatid ni Jeff, yung nag-makeup sa atin. At si Kuya Butch and family. Thank you for watching. And of course, ang Carminatics. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you again next week. Dito lang sa
Love ni Mister
Love ni Mrs.
Anong uso, anong hindi? Sinong bida, sinong
I Heart You